Hi everybody, it's Natalie from Fabricland here, and today we'd like to inspire you because we've had feedback from our viewers to say that basically they'd like us to do something classical, and we can't think of anything more classical than a black skirt. Take it away, Max.
Okay, so we've got quite a few fabrics here. I've picked a pattern which is just for a basic skirt pattern with a zip and a couple of darts. Okay, this is on our website. So we've got the black four-way suiting, which has got a bit of give, really nice. We've got the moss crepe suiting, which would make a lovely skirt and trousers, and you can see it's quite floppy and it will hang nice. Yeah. Polyester suiting, polyvisco suiting, which would be really good for like school skirts and a basic pencil skirt. We also have the banqueting chair and bi-stretch suiting. Again, it's got a mechanical stretch, and that would make good school trousers, skirt, wash, wear easy.
And we've got the scuba, and I've made myself a scuba skirt out of this very black scuba, and it took me about an hour and a half. Put some darts in it, little zipette at the back, and you can wear it anytime, winter, summer, etc. Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.